Alright, so first I'm going to start off with spraying my hair. My hair is already freshly washed, but it was getting dry, so I'm just going to spray it with some water in the spray bottle. After that, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of any tangles with a wide tooth comb. By the way, this is ISEE hair in the kinky curly Mongolian texture. Now I'm going to add a leave-in conditioner. This is an old bottle, an old Cream of Nature bottle that I have laying around, and I just put water and some Aussie Moisture conditioner in it, and I mixed it up, and I think this combination works really nice for curly hair as a leave-in conditioner. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and run a wide tooth comb through it again, just to get out any tangles that I might have missed before. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding another leave-in conditioner. This is the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner and detangler. I really like this product because it does leave a nice shine to my hair, and it does provide a really good slip. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair. Now I'm going to be using Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Moisturizer, and this is in the scent Vanilla Bean. I love the smell of this product, and I definitely think it moisturizes my sew-in as well as my real hair. Alright, so next I'm going to be using the product that really activates my curls. This is the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and you guys saw that I put a generous amount, and I'm going to be splitting my hair in a quarter. And I'm just going to be applying the product all throughout my hair, making sure that I get every strand all the way up to the top and bringing it down. Alright, so after that, I'm going to be using my Denman brush and going through my hair in sections. This is what really gets my curls poppin', because this brush, it just helps my hair clump together, and it definitely helps to find my curls. Now this is an actual Denman brush. It's just a brush that I got from the hair store that looks and resembles like a Denman brush, and it does the same thing. But I'm just going to go through every strand of my hair, making sure that my curls are clumping together. Now once I'm done, I'm just going to let my hair dry for the next several hours, and when I'm done, this is what my hair looks like. I have really soft, beautiful curls, and my hair is not crunchy at all despite all the products that I put in my hair. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.